So in this video, I'll be going over how to use ChatGPT and GPT-4 to conquer any single exam you take. But for the sake of this video, since there are so many exams out there, I'm going to focus on the SAT. And for the SAT in particular, if you have not heard about, ChatGPT and GPT-4 making strides in the SAT space, Khan Academy will now be using GPT-4 to help students study for the SAT. So while Khan Academy is doing that, SolCamp is doing that, I'm going to give you guys 5 ways you can use ChatGPT/GPT-4 to study for any single exam. In this case, the SAT. I know you guys want a perfect score. Now, GPT-4 and ChatGPT are obviously useful tools that you guys probably already use for your writing your school essays, even though you shouldn't be, or helping you with your homework, even though you shouldn't be. But guess what? These are AI tutors that are at your disposal for free that you can use to really guide your exam studying, or in this case, your SAT study. So let's discuss 5 ways you can use GPT-4 and ChatGPT to really master the SAT exam. First things first, practice questions. So with ChatGPT, if you're a student who's studying for the SAT and you're like, dang, I've done every single practice test possible. I've done every single Khan Academy problem possible, all the schoolwork. I've been given that talks about the SAT, but I don't know any other questions. Like, I've done everything and I feel like I'm still not there. Well, you can ask ChatGPT to create questions for you. You make ChatGPT literally write entire English passages with associated multiple choice questions as well as their answers. And then you can read these passages, do these questions, and see if you got the answers correct. Like, this is an unlimited source of questions that can be generated again and again and again. So technically, you will never run out of practice SAT questions. I know a lot of students struggle with, going on the daily SAT question of the day websites, and they're like, dang, like I ran out of problems. But now you have this unlimited source of questions that you can use every single day. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT, hey, make a science-related SAT style passage, and boom, it'll make it, give you the questions for it, and there you have it, a whole science passage just for you. And if you really want to get fancy with it, you can make it have certain things, like maybe a science passage that has 2 passages, right? Or a science passage that talks about dolphins. You can customize a little bit, maybe to make it a little more interesting for yourself. Another thing ChatGPT can do is it can give you test-taking strategies. There's a bunch of strategies that are discussed throughout the world. I have courses talking about them. People have free resources out there as well. You have Khan Academy. There's a ton of articles on test-taking strategies, but for the SAT in particular, there's certain patterns and strategies that you gotta figure out on your own. Like I said, like use my course or my notes to really have that open up for you. But guess what? ChatGPT can also give you a bunch of test-checking strategies. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT, your personal AI tutor, hey ChatGPT, can you give me test-taking strategies for the SAT? Oh, boom, it'll list you like 4 or 5 or however many strategies you ask it for. Give that quantity of strategies, and now you can read these strategies and apply them to your study routine. And speaking of study routine, you can use ChatGPT to give you your own personalized SAT studying schedule. Give it like your time frame, so you have 3 weeks until the exam. You want to focus mainly on math, but you still want to focus on reading. And you can ask it, with this criteria, I want you to generate a study schedule personalized for me. And you can talk about specifically for math, you struggle with linear equation questions. And then ChatGPT will start, turning the schedule into something that not only tailors you more for math, because that's what you really want to focus on, but also has more linear based questions or more days associated with learning heart of algebra, because that's what it was told. And that's how AI works. Like, you give it some parameters, you give it some criteria, and based on that, it'll make a decision for you or create some sort of output that benefits you with the criteria given. But that's the beauty of it. That's why I really want people to understand how powerful the ChatGPT is when it comes to creating that perfect study schedule. Make sure you have a good study routine and a bunch of other studying related things. Another way you can use ChatGPT is to make it generate SAT vocabulary questions for you. There's tons of books out there, like SAT books are like this thick, that have like 2,000 SAT vocab words you know, 3,000 words to know. Those are no longer needed. You can now ask ChatGPT, hey, can you give me a list of 20 to 30 high frequency vocabulary questions that can appear on the SAT? And then it'll give you these words, right? And it might give you questions associated with these words. It might give you an example sentence and ask you, hey, what does this word mean in this sentence? And now you can start practicing non-stop with these vocabulary questions and master these like vocabulary words. And you don't have to really sweat about anything, because now you don't have to pay for these books. You don't have to ask your mom and dad to, use their hard-earned money to get these books, because you have a free resource that will generate the same problem, maybe even better, more personalized problems for you instead of using the book, right? Because the book, it has a set number of problems. ChatGPT is unlimited. In fact, you can even give it the words that you want it to create questions for, and then just do those questions, because that can also help you. That sounds kind of weird, because if you give it the word, that means you probably already know what the word means, but you can see that it actually will still help you, because if you know what a word means, sometimes you don't realize that it has a synonym, and you might confuse the synonyms together, and that might lead you to end up getting the question wrong. Another key tip about using ChatGPT to study for the SAT is that it really is your tutor, and I want you to treat it as such. You see, see, ChatGPT can give you good recommendations for SAT resources to use. Let's say you want to prepare for the SAT and you are confused about, hey, what books should you read? What videos should you watch? ChatGPT will actually recommend books and videos that you can watch to really improve your SAT skills, whether it be math, reading. You can ask, hey, can you give me SAT reading videos, SAT reading books to really buy or focus on such that my score will improve? It will give you those books, it will tell you those videos, and that's how you benefit, and that's how you really use this personalized tutor to your advantage. Like, you might ask me in the comment section below right now, hey Ritesh, what math book should I buy for the SAT? And I might not see your comment because sometimes I get a lot of comments and I might skip over it. ChatGPT, you can ask the same thing, and ChatGPT is smarter than me, so it'll probably give you a better book to use for the SAT. Now, personally, I think I'm master of the exam, so I should know the best thing for you, so, you know, just saying. But ChatGPT, just like I said, is very helpful as a personal AI tutor. If your real life tutors can't get to you, ChatGPT can. So these are 5 ways to use ChatGPT to really improve your exam score, whether it be the SAT, MCAT, DAT, no matter what it is. So I really want you guys to start utilizing AI, ChatGPT, GPT-4 as it starts rolling out to the public to help your study routine become better, right? To help your scores improve. Really utilize it and maximize it to its full potential, and you're gonna quickly see how technology is helping your score improve that much more faster than it could have ever before. So thank you all for watching. If you learned anything new, be sure to comment down below. If you use GPT-4 at all, comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Peace.